Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can upload customer information in bulk on Gekko accounting software. So we can upload customer information in bulk either through settings section. So if we go through settings and click on import data, and we have second tab called customers. Or we can import also information through contact section and click on import. In this case, we would be brought back to settings section under import data, click on customers. Here are 3 steps presented. Firstly, we need to download customer example file and fill in details in template row by row. So I have already added information in my template, so I want to add details about travel, Anna, Liz and active. So now I need to choose a file. So click choose file, and I have my customers here file, and click continue. Information is read, and I will click import. Now information has been added on system, and I can go directly to customers. Here I can see active, Anna, Liz, as well as travel limited added. It's default to customers, but for example travel limited, if I look on below section, okay, didn't pick that up, but I had note that this is actually supplier, so I can actually change customer to supplier. Save contact, and travel has changed their type from customer to supplier. If for example, Active Limited is my customer as well as supplier, just enable this and save contact, and status has changed to both. So this is a way how you can upload customer information in bulk on Gekko accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Gekko tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.